Hey Laura, so I just wanted to check in with you really quickly about this graph. I've summarized everything in the email, but I thought it would be nice to just talk through a couple of the comments. So it sounds like Kyle, in order to have the graph on the website, which here I have it shown on the website, he wants to put the text on the side here and he wants to just type that into the website. And so basically, we just need a graph that'll fill up. Actually, I guess he'll put it on the right side here. So it'll be the graph on the right side, and then on the left side, he'll type in the text so that it matches the format of these other ones nicely. So even though this top one has the finding in the graph, I think that this other one, we're just going to have the graph. So if you wouldn't mind, just go ahead and make a version with just the graph, not the graphic, or sorry, yeah, just the graph, not the text here. And then for the info packet, so the context is really, it's going to span the width of an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. And so we really want it longer than it is tall. So we need to move the text box either to the left or the right of the graph. It doesn't really matter. So because of the extent of our branding on the info packet and how often we show the triangle, we actually want to go ahead and remove the triangle from the blue box. And then just real quick, a couple edits here. Something is funky here with the carriage return. So this normalized learning gains thing should be up on this line. I think that has to do with actually how I sent you the text. I've sent you slightly different numbers for the t-test values down here. And then we want to go ahead and shrink the width of the bars. Now, that doesn't mean that the text below them needs to shrink. So I actually think that the proportions of the graph are perfect. So keep everything the same, but then just, I would say, bring these in, maybe make them about 75% of the size that they are now. And then these, the error bars here need to be I would say like half of the width that they currently are. And then bring the n values down just a little bit so they're just right on top of where the error bars are. I'm guessing you have it up high because this line was in the way. Maybe shift this one down so it's just on top of the line and then make this one just a little bit lower so that they're the same distance apart. I hope that this little webcast helps a little bit in some of our edits that we're hoping for. Let me know if you have any questions.